All right, everybody. So right in the middle of working on this one, I broke the heat element, but I was trying to bend the thing back and I broke it. So I have this one. It has the heat element in it. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a video on this one recently, if you've been watching, and basically everything worked on it when I put it back together except the sensor dry. And I don't know why. I still don't know why, but well, now I need a heat element, and these heat elements are expensive, so they don't break very much. So I'm just going to take this one. I'm also going to take the motor out of this one, and I have that one over there that got returned. So its problem, it's either a circuit board or a bad motor. I don't know. I might try to put the motor from this one in that one. So we're Frankensteining today, but this is just how you tear down a GE dryer. This will work for, you know, pretty much any GE. But okay, so we're gonna do 2/4 in the back first, except for I think this one doesn't have 2/4 in it. It has a drywall screw in it. So I have never, this one's gonna get scrapped, and I don't think I've ever done a video about scrapping one before. So, and what I do, I don't know what you guys do, but here's what I do. What I'm gonna do is, I suspect this timer's bad, but I'm not really sure. I would like to know. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save like this screw here, and maybe this one. Probably save one of these. And I'll probably save the quarter screws. Definitely gonna save this because I bought it. Bought it new. I don't know why this didn't come out with it. This is all my lint from testing it. So I don't know. I mean, and see, this thing is messed up right here, and it doesn't have. Oh, it does have sensor bars on it, but they're not plugged into anything. That's what it is. Because these are for, I'm gonna save these sensor bars too, because I have a customer who might need them. But let's take out like this screw. That screw, I think that was the one that wouldn't come out. I tried to take it out before. Anyways, so you take 2/4 in the back, and then a screw here and a screw here. And then underneath this thing, there's supposed to be a screw here. Let me make sure you guys can see that. Come on, GoPro. Okay, there's supposed to be a screw here and a screw here. They were already removed because I was trying to fix this thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that back on, take this off. Now you guys are gonna have a quarter here, a quarter here. So the other thing we need to get off of this is the door lock switch, because I put a new one on it. That was what was originally wrong with this. You know, and I could sell it and just tell them that the time dry, only time dry. I have done that before. We need this motor. The motor is good, we're gonna take that. This heat element's good, so we're gonna take that. That's really what we're after right now. It's the heat element. Belt, I think we do need a belt for this machine too. That belt's trash, so we'll take the belt. This is how you take your door switch out. So don't remove it like I am to get that other screw out, but since that screw is just stuck in there, I'm not going to reuse this whole thing. I just need these sensor bars. I guess I could just take the sensor bars. I don't know, I'm all over the place. Let's try to get this switch out. Take that out. So you just kind of like pry this thing off. Push down on that. push it out. We'll save that for later. Not exactly sure what this is for, but this kind of goes over it like that. So let's start working on this heat element, I guess. Just gonna unplug all these. It's less invasive with the square on this part right here. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Out it comes. Now let's start working on this motor. The way I like to take motors is I like to take them all as one. So like this whole piece right to here. So usually it's like Samsung's, but it looks like to me I gotta take out this one. Probably this one, except that's a quarter for some reason. Okay. Now the front is loose. So looks like there's one right there. And then there's one back down here. And then I think there's one more right down there. Looks like. And you could use your quarter or your square on these GE style screws. They got the quarter inch square in the middle. Okay. So it needs to move that way. Just kind of push it back. This thing, sometimes you got to take off that tube. Sometimes you can get away with not. So it looks like I'm going to get away with having to here, but I got to get the rest of these wires out there. So this thing is going to the scrapyard. So don't judge me. Nobody's fixing this one. Pull the whole thing out. So that gets me a switch, which I never change. Just kidding. I have to do something like this. So what holds the back on is gone now because it's in the middle of that heat element. So doing manual labor here. I don't know where my drill is. I'm just like screwing the screws in by hand. What's wrong with me? Can't believe you guys are letting me do this. Just letting me not use the power tool because I lost it. Oh, there it is. It's because I'm all turned around. All my tools aren't where they're supposed to be. Okay, so I don't know what I did with the other 2 screws for this thing, but probably I'm just gonna put one of them in the back, or one of them in the front, and then this thing in the back. Put this screw back in there. Alright everybody, well this is what cannibalism looks like, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you think about this. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.